Hello, today we have a review. The impressions themselves, this is the set we have. In general, there are impressions that can be bought separately, and they can also be purchased individually. Milling cutters, handles. This is a set. Here we have handles for the border guardian and Mottura themselves. This is for working with anti-picking, using a hook to find traps. Here, I'll show the impressions again. Each impression can be purchased separately. Now I'll demonstrate on a simple Mottura lock how it works. The lock has 4 turns, therefore I recommend using 2 impressions. So, I want to show the large variations here. It won't be very easy or convenient to open with hooks. We'll open the second turn. We'll open it with such a hand. Yes. 3 repeats. And 4 repeats. So, what is this handle for? When we work with locks, with anti-picking, we need to insert the hook and identify which lever is stuck. And thanks to this handle, there is a marking here, and there is also a marking on the hook, and we move, therefore, along the levers and determine which lever is stuck. This makes it very convenient. Well, you can also do it like this. Feel it. But thanks to the cutout on the handle, it's very convenient to make the hook hidden. You don't need to hold it sideways like this. In general, this is how it works. Now,